Friend of mine brought me a Samson Mixpad 12, which he got recently. Did not come with a power supply. He checked the internet and power supply, shipping, well over $100, which is just too pricey. So it's a multiple voltage power supply, which is probably part of the cost. Wanted to know if I could make something as a replacement. I downloaded the manual, and fortunately, page 34 showed you could actually operate this thing out in the field using 12-volt gel cells. So now I'm thinking, why can't I just replace the two gel cells that I'm concerned with? The third gel cell is providing power. If you have the newer electric condenser microphones, for some unknown reason they call it phantom power. Why don't you just call it the voltage for the microphone power? In any case, I only need two. So I got a hold of our electronics dealer, got two 12-volt switching power supplies, 600 milliamps, and hooked them up in series as the instruction sheet shows. Never done anything quite like this. Checking Google, you have to have them both oriented the same way in the plug so it keeps the phasing correct, and the same manufacturer, and of course the same current as well. A bit of an experience for me, but it all worked out quite well in the end. The only hiccup in all of this, the instruction sheet shows the pin out on the DIN plug doesn't match up with reality. Fortunately, the bottom of the Samson does come off, the silk screening on the board, so I was able to use my ohm meter back to the pin out of the actual DIN. And indeed, the numbers are reversed. Once that was compensated for, everything worked out quite nicely, and the unit does power up and comes on and works as designed. While working on this project, I did check a couple user groups to see if anybody else had made a power supply and posted how they did it. I didn't find anything, so now here it is on YouTube.